We set out with the objective of delivering twice as much, twice as often, in half the time. In conjunction with Oracle, we're now delivering that.
Oracle Cloud provides us with an always-on software capability. Royal London can process its data on a 24/7, 365 basis.
Royal London's the largest mutual insurance company in the UK. We manage just under 120 billion of assets. That largely comes from looking after people's pension savings. What makes Royal London unique is our mutual status. With the old systems that we had, we wouldn't have been able to meet our regulatory requirements. So it was absolutely key that we address these problems. Our journey to the cloud has meant changes in the day-to-day working for all of us. I can now approve a journal on my phone as I'm going out and about. If people are having to work out of hours, it's much easier to do a lot of work.
This has also meant that there has been a change in mindset and approach on how we look at the future of technology. Oracle Cloud provides us the confidence that the application is up to date, security is always maintained. There is DR capability in the cloud, which is seamless to us as a business.
The advantage of the significant investment made has meant that we understand what drives our capital requirements. On the expense side, we've got much more controls and much more line of sight, but also then we can interrogate that information and hence try and drive cost savings and synergies. By making the significant investments in the transformation program, we've moved from behind to moving to the front of the pack. 2 years into our transformation journey, we've now automated nearly 50% of the manual journals that have to be processed. Moving forward, I'm confident we've got the right systems now. The Royal London culture has been very much continuous improvement. Having regular upgrades with Oracle and the moving to the public cloud will ensure that the partnership with Oracle delivers that, so we've got market-leading systems ready for the future.